He's calling them twins. He said Ata.
All right, greetings, my sister. I just want to show our people some of the school supplies that was brought for your village and all of your family here. And I wanted to let you know, for you to respond and share with us our connection and what you plan to do with all these school supplies.
What usually when people make donations, the children here get, and then me and the nana, we go into the village and give it to the most needed. Some children, they can't afford to get the school supplies, so we give it to those people. So we really appreciate it, and I hope that this can continue, because there's so many villages like this one. It just so happens that I'm here, but there's so many that need help, whether it's with school supplies, agriculture, just even supporting to plant one tree helps. So we really appreciate you all. And
excellent. I want to point over to one of our biggest contributor, and I'm just very impressed by Brother Jonathan and his lovely wife Sharon. I mean, I know we had conversations about school supplies, but I would never think in my mind that someone would bring 2 loaded 50-pound suitcases of school supplies.
Well, this is a very worthy cause, and we were up for it. Especially when Africa for the Africans encouraged us to do so. So this was a prime opportunity for us to give back to the village.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you have made a world of a difference.
Thank you on behalf of everybody. There's so many people that are involved with this. I wish they were around. Not one person can do this, and that's what we have to realize.
Yes, it's a whole group.
Yeah.
And the school supplies were divided amongst 4 different schools.
Oh, wow.
And 4 different regions.
And this will go so far. This will go so far. You know, even to get a pencil and a ruler, they're happy. So the more people that can support and give, the more people they can help. So we really thank you.
We appreciate you, my sister.
Your wife isn't here, but thank you for us.
We will.
And I want to point to one of our greatest sisters that's been doing this with us for years. When we started the school supplies, the school supplies and the connection with the children, you just took it to a whole different era, and I just love it. And I hope a lot of people vibe off what you've been able to do as far as go beyond yourself and share and talk about the children you've been able to engage in and just bring wonderful things to.
Right, well, in another life I had 100 children. I've always wanted to give back and help, and I've also been the recipient of people giving back to me from when I was growing up. So it's like paying it forward, and Ghana is very special. The children here are just so beautiful, and so it just comes naturally for me to want to give back. What I've been doing since I first came here is use my birthday to be more than just a birthday celebration. It's a fundraiser. And so whatever funds are raised, we take it back, and we take it back in the form of cash, because we know that it multiplies more when you take it directly to Ghana versus trying to spend $200 for an extra piece of luggage to bring all the supplies that you can purchase here. So Benu Village is also a recipient of $200 this year. We've also supported Trinity Home Academy, and we will be supporting Akoma International Academy by giving scholarships for 12 children. So it's just a pleasure, and I invite everyone else, especially those who are in the States, that remember that when your monies are given, they multiply.
Right.
And it helps a lot. So if you don't have a lot, whatever a lot means to you, in Jamaica we say every mickle make a muckle. So collectively we can do great things. So this is just good. And give what you can.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. I appreciate your family, and what we're going to do is give everybody a view of some of the school supplies so they can kind of see what works and what they can bring. It's a combination of toys. One of the things that we love the most, especially for our children in the village, is black dolls. For me, it's, you know, if you're a black child, you need to have a doll that resembles you so you can be more into, you know, your own identity.
Yes, can I please? Yeah, I'll take it after. Yeah.
Did you want them to pick something now? Or?
Oh no, I'm just admiring that what they're looking at. It's like, oh, all this, all of these things are for you from your brothers and sisters from the diaspora.
Benefactors.